wanted to do a video for everybody just to show kind of what I'm looking for on driveways when I'm quoting them out. You can see on the edges on this one, they're starting to create a lip where water can't run off the drive. Even if it was crowned, the water's still going to go anywhere if there's a lip there. So what I'll be doing is grading this and cutting that lip off the side, giving it back a crown form for water drainage, and possibly have to add some material, but the first step is always to grade. Even going after that sub base, making sure that it's not wavy and getting the crust out of the potholes. So I'll be taking some pictures afterwards and showing what this looks like. Hour and a half later, here it is all done. Graded out, ready for material. Customer's going to hold off for a little while. I'd imagine a driveway this long with the traffic, honestly, it's probably only going to last a couple months. The customer knows that. It's just, where budget is at the time. But it's all graded out, potholes ripped out, better drainage. Just needs to be a little higher and new material. Here's another example of a driveway that's sunken down just over time and have edges on both sides. So again, I'm going to be ripping it and getting it back into shape. And this one, we're going to be putting material on. So stay tuned. I'll be showing some pictures of what it looks like after material. Here it is all graded out, waiting for material now. And so the most important part that I did was actually ripping down into this driveway and cutting out those potholes and getting those edges down, the lips, as much as I could. But there's going to need to be material to bring it up to grade. Either that or I'd had to get into sod work and cutting, and that just make a big mess, especially this time of year. So it's a waiting game now. We'll get material in, they'll drop spread it, grade that out, and it'll all be done. Well, here it is, all completed. Got the material on there packed down. It'll continue to pack. This is Duraburn slag. It goes a lot further. It's a lot better quality material. A lot of folks will use 73s, which is crushed limestone with powder, about 1 inch minus. And it's the same concept with that. This is just better material. They do a really good job refining it here in northern Indiana, so it can be used on projects like driveways and parking lots. But this should last a good 5 to 7 years, I'd say, and even then it'd probably just need a little bit of a grading. If interested, have any questions, need a quote worked up, Jack Owens, Owens Gravel Repair, give me a call, send a text or an email. Thank you.